the people here in Lithuania, Vilnius. Yeah. So it's December 25 today. But you see a lot of people are here. They are here in the old town. Babu! Where's Babu? Where's Babu?
So cold.
Cold today.
Warmness.
So this is the Christmas tree here in capital city of Lithuania, Vilnius.